They say, Puneet, I'm just killing time. Have you heard? I'm killing time. Time does not need your help. Time kills itself. Yeah. And eventually it will kill you also. How pompous it sounds. I'm killing time. Tu hai kaun? Tu Mahakal hai kya? See, you want to try a difficult game. Try life. Right outside. No Wi-Fi required. Life is a very difficult game, right? There is no winning in life. Life is an open book exam. Disappointment if you fail. Guilt if you pass. And the day I can pull this off as a punchline, I am retiring. Which is not tonight. Not in Baner for sure.